pala, hurry. Okay guys, nasa Great Wall of China na kami. Pinipicture ako si mama habang mochi guys. It looks frozen. Parang walang nagbebenta. Hi guys! Welcome to day 2 China vlog. So, kaka-edit ko lang guys nung first day. Like, pagkagising ko, nag-edit agad ako. So, you guys, show it some love. Cause, inedit ko kaagad, ha?
Update mo na?
Update? Upload?
Upload mo na yung...
Di pa, kasi ang parang hindi kaya ng load ni kuya yung So, di ko pa na-upload. Hindi ko pa na-upload, guys, kasi 20 minutes yun. And kawawa naman yung load namin kapag in-upload ko yun ngayon. So, I think I'm gonna just upload it when I get home. But, yun nga. We're going to Wall of China today. I don't know kung ano yung iba pang tours. But like, yeah. Ang alam ko, Wall of China today. Then, ito yung outfit ko, guys. Like, this is green by the way. It's not gray. Then, skirt na white. Then, Onitsuka Tigers. With this. Cute, right, guys? Ayoko na. Food na.
Hello guys. We're in
I don't know where we're going though.
Jade Factory.
Jade. I think titingin kami ng Jade something. Kasi mamaya pa yung Great Wall of China. Guys, hindi ko alam kung ba't ang lamig. Like, why is it cold here?
Lalo daw dyan pag ano dito. Pag yung mga December.
Nagsisnow na kasi.
Snow dito.
Oo. Nagsisnow talaga dito.
And the Chinese human, when we look at him, we always love to touching that. So if we touching the Pishu, we have the way.
Okay guys, so tapos na kami dun sa parang Jade Factory. Bumili si Tita Jo ng parang ring.
Ano?
It was like 13,000. Pero maganda naman siya, pero it's so expensive.
Oo, diba?
Pero I think mag-gold factory kami. Hinubadan na namin si mama ng jewelry. Meron na akong ganito. Tapos na kay kuya yung isa. But like, yeah. I couldn't vlog as much done. Kasi I didn't know what to vlog. But, yeah. Okay guys, nasa Great Wall of China na kami. Pinipicture ako si mama habang ako. My gosh. Ano ka ba? Sa akin, ang dami nakasabit. Oh my gosh. Okay guys, hindi ako makapag-video na kasi we're taking pictures and sa phone ako nag-picture. Phone ko kasi because of Dazcam. So, ito siya guys. Great Wall of China. Mochi guys. Gusto ko talaga yung mochi nila dito. Okay guys, so we just finished eating. Ang dami pagkain pero all I ate was like sweet and sour chicken, which is the best. Tapos, I don't know where we're going now. By the way guys, tomorrow mag-Universal Studios kami. Universal. Okay, I think it's correct. But, yun nga, it's gonna be super fun kasi all the rides and stuff. I think I'm gonna try my best to ride all of them. Mama? Ikaw? Ay, ako na. I'm gonna try my best to try all of them kasi medyo duwag ako. But it's okay.
Kulay pula.
Okay.
Black.
Black. Asan ba yung red?
Meron atang damit na ano, may bayad.
Parang mas maganda yung design ng red. Parang mas maganda lang siya in general. Oh my gosh. So sila guys, papalit sila. I'm not trying to do all that.
Parang iba, ayoko na to. Ayoko na ito.
Nagko-costume sila. Ayoko naman mag-costume. Masyado madaming work. So, I'm not gonna do that. Guys, ang tagal ni na ate, ni na mama sa costume. Like, naka-iklip na talaga ako. Tain, hindi ko din alam kung ano yung bus number namin. Naka-iglip ako dun sa ano, sa waiting area. Is that my bus? 2479. Yun ba? Okay na. Asan ako? Okay, I think, it's like, ano nga ito? Something about medicine. I'm so tired, bro. Wow. It's fine. I'm scared. This looks so... Yeah. CR. Okay, ice cream. It looks frozen. Parang walang nagbebenta.
Wala ba?
Ano kaya mga chocolate, coffee, strawberry?
Tea, strawberry, coffee, chocolate.
Gusto ko caramel cookie. Ang sarap. I want this.
Pwede ka bumili.
280 for this. That's kinda okay though. RMD? Asan? Guys, it's ringing because I'm gonna buy this. Oreo cheesecake. It looks so good. Anong TikTok?
Nag-tiktok ka doon.
Kaya pala ang tagal nyo doon. Nakaiglip na ako. Anong TikTok? Hindi pa.
Ganang suot nyo.
Oreo cheesecake. One.
One only?
Wow, bayad.
Ano yan?
250.
250?
Yeah. 28.
Ice cream? Ano ice cream?
Ice cream ba yan?
Hindi. Cheesecake.
Cake yun.
Ano?
Kaya, hindi ka na.
Thank you. You guys don't like, bro?
Paisang bayad na.
Isang bayad. Guys, this looks so good, bro.
Ito ice cream ah. Ano gusto mo ice cream?
Oh, guys, I think we're gonna get the massage. Ang arte. Okay guys, so try namin yung stop. Alam ba yan?
Sabi, dadalhin mo itong empting to. Uy, bakit gumana? Ang galing. Pikit. Teka lang, hindi ko kita.
Bakla talaga si Pao.
Wala ka, bakit? Bakit mas nakapal sa kabila?
Ang kapal.
Bakit ang kapal sa kabila?
no.
Bakit ang kapal sa kabila?
Ayusin mo.
Ano
Bakit ang
ayusin yan?
kapal?
Asan yung may pantanggal ka?
Wait, may tissue ko sa bag.
Nakahub. Ang kapal.
Isa lang yung meron.
Nakapugot pa ito na. Papapit ko kasi Olympic. Pwede ka na. Isin natin. Dito. Ayoko naman. Bitbitin niyo yung basura. Ay, naiwan na kayo doon ma. Okay na yan.
My lord.
Pinaglit ko lang.
Alalagyan ko. Ano na lang ako. Glasses, bro. Okay guys, we can't. Si kuya kasi, kagaling mag-eyeliner. Hi guys, so, oh my lord. Hi guys, time check. It's like already 10:30. I'm editing the video and itong part 2 guys, it's not as entertaining as like, I don't know, basta it's not entertaining. Kasi parang pinagtagpi-tagpi ko lang yung mga videos na nakuha ko. And super onti lang yung videos nun. Kasi, yun nga, like, nag-Great Wall of China kami. And hindi din ako masyadong nakapag-video doon kasi we were taking pictures. Tapos, yung mga sa iba naman, parang wala kasi ako need picturean. Like, I mean, videohan. That's why hindi ako nagbe-video. Pero tomorrow, guys, I swear I'm gonna get probably good videos kasi mag-rides kami. Sana kaya ko i-bring yung phone ko. I don't know. Habang nag-ride. Oh my gosh. So, I'll see you guys tomorrow. If nakaabot kayo dito sa part of vlog. Thank you. Bye-bye. Kuya's sleeping already.